Hi guys, Nick here, and today I got all the Disney DVD unboxing, and this time we're going to be doing the remake of Disney's Pete's Dragon, and we got the boy Pete on the left here, and the dragon on the right, looking down right at him. And the bottom says, from the studio that brought you the Jungle Book. And we also got the forest right in the background here. And this is the other movie that got a Walmart recently. And here's the back of the case. And here says a new Disney classic. And on the top it says some bonus extra, which has some bonus features. And we also got a couple of scenes here from the movie. And now it's open up the case and by taking off the plastic and open it and take a look at the DVD. And now I got the plastic off, and now let's take a look on the inside. And the disc just fell out for some weird reason. I take this out, don't want to show the code. And here's what the DVD disc looks like for Pete's and Dragon. And that's about it for today's Disney DVD unboxing. And if you enjoyed today's video, make sure to give this video a like and comment. And if you're new to the channel, press the red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you will be notified of when new videos are uploaded to the channel. And I will see you guys in my next video. And peace.